Hello and good morning, welcome back to the channel where we compound 10k by 1% every day. Today is day 21, our equity is at 22k. Let's first view a quick trade disclaimer and then do the BTC analysis. We're gonna go over it very quickly. I'm not even gonna put on music. Let's quickly do this. So for the monthlies, nothing has changed. For the weeklies, we did tap that previous week, but I'm gonna keep it on for now. Then the dailies, let's see. I'm gonna delete that one in a minute. Let's just keep it on for now because I want to say something about it. I'm going to delete that one. And we don't have another daily. Previous day, let's see. And that last one, 41073.5. Okay. Do we have any naked point of controls? We do have one. $4,700. It's a TPO. Let's see for the sessions. $39,350. And we still have that one on. Okay. This is actually also a poor high at the moment. Pivots, trend lines. One channel. So this one did have a lot of respect. We're trying to re-enter that one. It's a bigger one. Right now it's still resistance, but we do have this one. That was a nice channel. And we now got back into it, tapped the midline, back tested, and we're almost again at that midline. So definitely something to keep in mind. This one isn't important right now. Okay. Let's quickly see if the volume has changed. Nothing here. That's all fine. That's fine. These are still good. So for the Elliott wave, we did have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since we took that high, I do need to consider that this low in this move is in. Now we're now looking for retracements and further up, or maybe first move up a little bit more. Something to consider. Let's now see for today. Let's put on the VWAPs, pivots. That's all we need. We did backtest that value area high of this local range and moved up a bit more. This one is gone. So let's put everything on. Okay, so basically yesterday we saw this move, just closed all the longs, we took some new shorts that all went pretty well. Most of them I took some profits. And during the night, when this got back up, a few of them got stopped out, which isn't the problem. Then a few other coins made some moves during the night, so ZRX were also out of that one. Kawa got stopped out, Jasmine got stopped out, and that's about it. Comp also got stopped out, Kusama got stopped out, XMR got stopped out, Digibyte got stopped out, and that's about it. And those are also the assets that for now I'm kind of looking to short if this goes down. So very locally, what we already said, we did have that channel that we got into, tested the midline and back down, and now we're almost back at the midline, but with confluence of the local CC from this move. Previous day value area high is there also, and from this local range we have a value area high there. So it's already pretty clear. If we break above this, then We do still have these point of controls, but we could already envision that we at least swing failure this high, maybe even go up. So for me, break above this would be kind of bullish. Market structure would still be bullish. We would expect a new high and then see where we go from there. Will this channel be respected? Will we just take that poor high and move down? If we can keep it up right there and reject from the CC, that would be good for another retracement, and then possibly make a new low, lose that channel again, lose the speed fan, and have a somewhat bigger resistance to that CC area that we were eyeing yesterday. And I would think that if we do get this retracement, it will probably take about at least 2 more days before hitting that CC. Let's see how much time this move took. So we would expect on the 25th that this might be hit, so it can bounce around here a little bit more and take its time, which would mean that probably some of the alts will still shoot up and have good potential to short. If we don't get that, it's probably just gonna go up pretty controlled, but for now this is the most important region to claim for then at least a move up to those highs, maybe even tapping that bigger zone of resistance. If we can keep it up here and reject, I will be looking for that CC, at least take profits at that point of control, maybe even that weekly pivot, because it's a high volume node and it's more in the middle of this channel. So basically claim this, look for a move at least to there. If we fall back and make this anchored VWAP resistance again, I would at least look for that naked point of control that will be coinciding with the weekly VWAP, probably another bounce, because this retracement will take time before moving down. And that's basically how I want to see this day progress. If we get a bigger move to either side, I am fine with that. In this whole move there isn't a bullish or bearish divergence yet, so this might still take some time, and probably when New York opens we will have some more confluence or some more certainties where the market is going. The daily open hasn't been backtested today, and that coincides with that point of control of this local range. We did have a shitload of new longs in this high, and if they are not stopped out yet and we keep them trapped, that would mean we still have some extra fuel to go down. So we can basically see this as a range. Trade the range. If it breaks, very good. You stay in your shorts from top of the range, let them run. Take some longs at the low. Maybe you get stopped out. Maybe we move up. Let them run if we go. And take some profits over there. That's how I'm viewing the market today. I hope you understand and you learned something. Let's maybe quickly go into our account. So the equity is now at 22.9. We took one. Let's see. We took one off for $500 profits around in these lows, I think, and then let it run. We didn't get stopped out. It was very close. GMT, we're still in that. We did take some extra profits. We're still in ape, and the only reason for that is because we kept our stop loss above, because otherwise we would be stopped out, which is the case for a few other assets. We're still in the other ones. Not much to say about these. SNX didn't get stopped out. KNC, we already took a little bit of profits, but we're happy to let that one run. And we're looking for the low of this range for another take profit. And FXS, it wasn't stopped out either. It also was close, but for now we're also looking to take these longs for take profits and then maybe see what happens next. I will be looking to get back into comp, Kusama, XMR, Digibyte, ZRX, especially ZRX because this one has just shooted up. So I actually want to see that monthly tapped. So let's say that we chill here a bit, tap that monthly and then come down. I might want to get back into Kava, Jasmine, LPT and Bake, but I'm not in a rush to get into these ones. I just want to be sure for at least a good level to get in and some more certainty what the direction of Bitcoin will be. So I leave it at that. I hope you learned something. Have a very nice day, and maybe see you later today, and otherwise it will be in the morning.